Hello everyone, do you hear me?
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Okay, so I want to start my today's lecture. Today's topic is result representation and scaffold. Okay, it's lecture 10. So I want to try discuss about this topic. Please be attentive to hearing my lecture. Okay. So last lecture I already said about myself. I am Dr. Rashidul Islam. Chairman and Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical and Electrical Engineering, Bangladesh Sheikh Fadilatunisa Mujib, Science and Technology University, Chaman. So I have finished my PhD from Institute of Semiconductor, Chinese Academy of Science, and I have published around 110 plus international SCI journals and international conference. My Google Scholar citation is 1,800 plus. So my research area is basically computational material science and solar cell and semiconductor material. I am working about semiconductor material. So you can visit my Google Scholar profile if it will be matches with me, so I can help to conduct the research. Okay. So today I will discuss about the importance of results representation and ways. What is the ways of representation? The table, graph, pie charts, etc. And the tools will be used in Excel, MATLAB, Origin, Python, R, spaces like this. So just I will say about this, how to use and how to create and how to know about these tools and ways. Okay, so result representation from research evaluation. Why we need the result representation? Because final output of collected and analyzed data using appropriate methods of a specific topics to make easy for reader to represent of your results. We can create a good paper to publish a good conference or journal by good representation of our research work. So without good representation, we cannot publish our work. Okay, so if we want to publish our a good journal, so our result representation technique will be outstanding, and reader can easily can understand our results. Okay, so we should try to clearly represent our results. Okay,